All right, let's see the sweet bread. Same process. We put butter. Everywhere. Of course, butter, not this plastic thing that they call it margarine. It's just flavorless. I think that I have read legit things that they mention that it's not the best to eat. Why not some fat? Walk a bit more and eat the fat instead of margarine and sitting on the couch. Here we are. Same process. Sesame coating. It's ready. And then take from the bread and go here. Let's measure now. Whoop. Everybody can see scale, I think. Yes? All right, super. Ta-da! So we said it is around 1.1, okay? There. All right, zeroed. Now there is no quantity even with my Japanese friend. Let's try our Japanese friend. We will put this is called mahlepi in Greek. I'm sorry, I don't know the word in English of this spice, but it gives a cookie flavor. This I put it in the bread also, but since we will go with some friends, I didn't want to put all these spices. Usually I put them, I don't care, actually I forgot it. Don't tell it to anyone. So I think 1 gram is more than enough for this. Yeah, so this is the quantity. Then we'll add some anise. Everything freshly grounded is just much better. I would go for 1 gram also there. So we are at 1%, a bit less because it was 1.1 kilo. Okay, let's do it super spicy. Let's go to 1 gram. I think it's a lot. No. I will go to 0.7 with the anise. Okay, 0.75. Oop. Then we'll put some, what is it? Coriander. Again, I think I will go at 0.7. Less it's, opa. 0.6 is okay. Whoop. It's there. That's it with the magic ingredients. See, the scale hasn't even seen them. We've put around 2.3 grams of material. We're still at 0. I will add some hazelnuts inside because I like them. If they are roasted, it's better. Some will fall, it's okay. And let's go with the honey. Luckily we have measured carefully the hazelnuts. All right, 0.4%. We'll go with the honey, which is a bit of a slow process. You need a lot of it, really a lot, else it's not sweet, the bread. So we'll go to 200 grams at least. Let's go to 120. It's 11% almost. Whoop. And some cacao. The cacao, I will add it last because I want to see it inside. So I want to see waves of it. I hope. Let's go for the very sticky kneading now because of the honey. Oh God, it's so difficult, this thing. It's so sticky. Oh, I forgot the cinnamon. Cinnamon. Oh, toco. Ella. All right, there, cinnamon. We'll put the kale on because it's spicy and we have a spicy bread. That's the quantity. Here I will put a gram at least. I don't have clove to increase the intensity of the cinnamon, so I want 1.5. All right, 1.5 grams. Whoop, cinnamon. And with the cinnamon also you can play like the cacao. It's a bit messy, eh? It's completely shit inside. But after some time, everything will be fine. start, we put some raisins inside. I have some very nice original sultanina from Corinthos. Let's put some inside. Okay, let's measure them. We put everything that we put inside the bags, laurel leaves, to protect them from the worms. Whatever I buy, I put it in the vacuum. I have this privilege because of the production. Let's see how many are these. So they last forever in the vacuum, and logically you don't need the laurel. The problem is that they stick to each other. They're fantastic. This one's fantastic. God bless their hands that they have gathered them. It's amazing. This, look, each one has a little stem. I don't know the word in English properly. This little thing that it is a grape. So you have this little stem from the grape, and from each one they take it many times by hand out. So this has a lot of labor. I mean, I don't know